Google is folding its robotics subsidiary Intrinsic back into its core business. That's signaling a bold push into physical AI. The move gives Intrinsic direct access to Google's AI models like Gemini and the scale of Google Cloud while aligning more closely with Google DeepMind. CEO Sundar Pichai has reportedly described the effort as Android for robotics, which feels like a tautology. But it is aimed at creating a standardized software platform for industrial robots, similar to how Android, the operating system, unified smartphones. As competition heats up with players like Amazon and Tesla investing every penny they can into physical AI robots, Google is betting that AI-powered automation could define the next era of manufacturing. But the question that I have is, are they going to be three laws compliant, Al?
Absolutely not, because they're not actually going to be making that significant of a judgment. I kind of wish that that was the top-level view of how things work. That's Asimov's three laws of robotics about not killing humans. It's kind of nice to not kill humans. Um, Essentially, what's going on here is Intrinsic was one of the alphabet companies. They were building a platform to democratize access to robotics. And of course, AI has to be added to everything. AI has been in robotics for a long time, particularly around the idea of doing image recognition components. So, what we would have previously called the sort of predictive AI or the machine learning AI rather than the generative AI. And I think we'll see more of that kind of AI continuing to be used in robotics because it suits what robotics tools do. The ability to describe how you would like the robotic to interact with whatever component you're assembling or manufacturing will be useful. I think that's the place where maybe large language model for that human described free-form description. Fundamentally, when the robot is building something, we want it to follow a determined path. We want it to absolutely be handling the components that are in its face. So hopefully more of the machine learning kind of behavior we'll see in the driving of these robots. The overall objective here for Google is that this intrinsic tool set is going to become the most common tool set for building robotic paths, allowing more organizations to use robotic manufacturing. And yeah, the AI flows over it, but I think the real thing in here is this flow state development environment for building the actual workflows that your robots are going to follow in your manufacturing processes in here. I think it's pretty cool to aim to have a standardized, simple way of doing this. Whether Google's standardized, simple way will be the winner, we'll see. There's some previous history on that. This is probably why Sundar Pichai was talking about the Android for robotics, because Android has become one of the dominant platforms on smartphones. So, yeah, maybe this will work out to be one of the dominant platforms for building robotics and robotics paths.